Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 22nd of July 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.93%, settling the day at 40,287.53 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,726.94, falling 0.81%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 39,820.17 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,479.26. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,443, indicating a gap down start for the Indian market. FII bought 1,506.12 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. HDFC Bank net gains 482.87 crore rupees after transition to revised norms on bank investment portfolio. Indian refiner BPCL sees further cuts in oil OSPs as fuel margins drop. Mahindra to unveil 5-door version of popular Thar SUV on August 15. Now talking about global aspects, Eurozone inflation will continue to slow in the coming years and could dip below the European Central Bank's 2% target by 2026. The United States Air Force has reached an affordable deal with Boeing for the supply of E-7 Wedgetail airborne warning and control aircraft. WTI dropped 3.3% to $80.13 while Brent settled down 2.9% to $82.63 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.02. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.23%, down. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, retreated from their fresh record highs of 81,587.76 and 24,854.80, respectively. This decline was driven by profit-taking across all sectors ahead of the upcoming union budget. Sensex and Nifty tumbled nearly 1% to settle at 80,604.65 and 24,530.90, respectively. Overall sectoral performance remained negative, with metal stocks experiencing notable losses, while the IT and FMCG sectors closed with minor declines. Outlook for the day. The Nifty index has formed a shooting star candle on the weekly charts, suggesting a potential reversal from the recent upward trend after making an all-time high of 24,854.80. The immediate support levels are 24,300 and then 24,000. A break below these levels could signal continued bearish momentum and potential further declines. On the upside, the resistance zone is between 24,800 and 25,000. Bank Nifty has been trading within a range, indicating the immediate support levels at 51,800 and 51,000. A break below these levels could signal further downside momentum and potential declines. On the upside, the resistance shows at 52,800. If the index breaks mentioned supports, consider strategies to short the index. Conversely, if Bank Nifty remains above these support levels and heavyweight stock results are positive, it could lead to a breakout from the current range. Stocks on radar are Astral, ITC, O-Bank, LTIM, Burger Paint. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.